Q is parallel to RS. ABCD is a straight line. B equal to C, because these two information has been given already. And AB equal to 110. So if AB is 110, then we can say this one must be 180 minus 110. So this one must be 70. So if this one is 70, then this one must be 70, because these two sides are equal. So these two angles must be equal. Okay. So fine, we can find out this idea. Now, what is the measurement of this angle? This angle will be 180 degree minus 470 plus 70, because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 140 degree will be 40 degree. So this angle is 40. And if this angle is 40, then ECQ must be 40 degree. Why? ECQ will be 40 degree because we can make alternate angles. Okay. Why alternate angles? Because PQ is parallel to RS. Okay. And C is their transversal. So this angle and this angle must be alternate angles. So just use this idea.